guys, welcome back. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video, we have discussed about the range of integer data type, the signed integer and as well as unsigned integer. In today's video, we will discuss about the range of character data type, both signed character and unsigned character. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all the new videos. So let's talk about the character data type and its range. So the storage capacity of character data type is 1 byte. It means to say 8 bits, and I am talking here with the context of 16-bit machine. And when I say unsigned character, the range is from 0 to 255. So how exactly this range we have got, we'll see that now. And for signed character, it is from minus 128 to plus 127. So talking about the storage capacity here, I have taken as 1 byte for character. So here, let me represent that 8-bit data. So the least number, the minimum number with respect to binary representation is 0. So let me fill zeros in all the cells. So this binary sequence corresponds to the decimal number 0. And the highest number is 1. Okay, so let me fill 1 here. And when I convert this binary sequence to a decimal number, we get the value 255. This is what the range 0 to 255 with respect to unsigned character that has only positive numbers. But now the question arises, like, why we are talking about the numbers here? Yes. See, when we write a program, all the numbers, of course, it will be converted to the decimal, and that decimal representation that what we have will be converted to binary sequence. But what about the characters and all? We should have some character system. In the previous video, I have told about the character system. And of course, we have to have a separate video for that to talk about the different character system, that what we call it as computer codes. We have different computer codes. BCD code, EBCDIC code, ASCII code, like that. And the most popular code is the ASCII code, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And using this code, we convert each and every character to some number code. So for example, I say the capital A is associated with the ASCII code of 65. And the lowercase a is associated with the ASCII code, say 97. Again, from 0 to 9, you have some ASCII codes like this. Every character is associated with some code, and the most popular code is American Standard Code, and Americans have set this code, and this is the code that we cannot change, and that code is understandable by the machine, and we get some number, and that number, decimal number, is going to be converted to some binary sequence like this, which the machine can understand. So the characters has to be converted to the ASCII code, and ASCII code will be converted to the binary format. So here I say 0 to 255 means this is what the range of these codes, ASCII codes, that what I can say. So for positive characters, positive numbers, the ASCII codes, this is what the range, 0 to 255. But talking about this signed character, we have to have both negative numbers as well as positive numbers. So half of the numbers we should have positive, and half of the numbers we should have negative. So what we can do is, we have to divide this 255 by 2, where we get 128. So what I can say is, starting from 0, I say plus 1, 2, up to plus 127. It goes on, because we have to include even 0 also. Towards negative, I say minus 1, minus 2. It goes on up to minus 128. So this is what the range we have. So this is the range for signed character which supports both positive and negative, ranging from minus 128 to plus 127. So let's understand this range in a circle format with an example program. So let's understand the range of character with the circle form and with a small example program. So here in the unsigned, the range says it is from 0 to 255. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes on up to 54 to 55. Whereas for signed, it is the positive side and both negative side. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to plus 127. Towards negative, it is minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4. It goes on up to minus 126, minus 127, minus 128. So this is what the range. So unsigned supports only positive numbers and signed supports both positive as well as negative. This is what the positive circle side and this is what the negative circle side. So let's understand this program with this circle now. So here we have a small program and we have a character data type and the variable name is ch. So as soon as the variable is declared, the memory will be allocated for this. Well, I have explained this in the structure of the C program. Please do watch that video. So a variable is declared. As soon as the compiler encounters this variable declaration, it is going to allocate the memory for that. How much bytes it has to allocate? We have simply character. It means to say it is signed character. So by default, automatically it takes signed character. CH, it takes how many bytes? It takes 1 byte. And the name for this memory block is CH and say some address 1024 and this value A has to be stored. But you don't have the character to be stored there, but we say the character gets stored there, but actually saying the character will not be stored. The code of that character will be taken. So what is the ASCII code of the lowercase a? The ASCII code of the lowercase a is 97. So I need to check whether this 97 is there within the signed character range. Yes, obviously it is within that range. So this 97 is converted to some binary sequence like that. Something like 10, something like 101. Not the exact binary sequence. I just gave an example. So this ASCII code. So the character A, actually saying we say A will be stored here. But internally this A character which is A gets converted to the ASCII code and I need to check whether that is in that range. Well, it is signed character, so I need to check in this circle. So it is plus 97. So yes, obviously it is in this range. So it gets converted to that ASCII code and that ASCII code get converted to the binary sequence, that what the machine can understand. So A, just to understand now, I'll write it as A. So A is stored. So because it is in that range. When I say printf %c, the format specified for character is %c, print the value that what I have in ch means I'm going to print A. So when I say %u, again, of course, I have this value 97 in this range. So I have that range within 0 to 255. When I say unsigned, here it is going to print that value. So it is again the value that what I have %u unsigned value, that character value it is going to print because it will be in that range. But let me change this value to a number. I say 98. Ch equal to 98. So when I say Ch equal to 98, what happens? So when I change the value to 98 here, I need to check with the signed character range. Yes, obviously 98 is there in this range. But which character code is this? So it is B, which is 98. So what happens here? This code 98 gets converted to the character. So B will be stored in CH. When I say print %c ch, my output will be B. When I say %d here, let me say I am just trying to say %d. So %d is the format specifier for integer. So I need to print the number. So here when I say percentage %d ch, then it will print 98, the ASCII code of the ch. Now let me change the value as 130. Now, do we have the value 130 in the range of, this is signed character. Do we have the value 130 in the signed character? No. It is from 0 to 127. So I say 128, 129 and 130. So this is minus 126. So it is going to the negative side. So when I say percentage %ch, then my output will be some junk character, something like this or like this. Some junk character I am going to get. So I have got this junk character. And when I say percentage %d, what will be my value? It will be minus 126. So this is how it is going to print. So here let me give you an assignment. When I change this to unsigned character, so I'll make it as unsigned character, and this value I'll change it to ch equal to minus 129. So what will be the output for this? Please write down in the comment box and tell. So that's all for today's video. Hope you have understood with this signed and unsigned character. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.